this is it. Yesterday we went to Stanton to pick it up. Really happy with what Si, the painter's, done with it, with the Rick and Morty font on the back. The raw welding just looks amazing, and the blue looks good as well. Because now I'm going to hand it to Dad and he's going to build it up for me.
Right, we're on to day 2 now here. We had to sort of postpone it for a bit due to the fact a few things we hadn't got. Fortunately, after looking at this Cane Creek DB Air Shock and realising I had no hardware, our fantastic sponsors J-Tech sorted us out with the hardware, and I wanted a decent set of tyres on this bike, so we got a set of these Flow Snaps. These are from V-Tyre, these are going on 27.5, and also in the medley and absolute excitement of getting this bike, I completely forgot all the hardware for the bike. So we've got dropouts, we've got an axle and seat clamp. Got a seat clamp on it. Oh, I've nicked that off my bike. So let's finish this build off. finally completed. I think he's going to be quite a happy boy. Let me talk you through what we've got on this bike. So we start at the top here. Envy bars. These are the M7s. So these are cut down to about 760. On the ends of these, we've got the GE1, the Slim Enduro. These are like the Enduro Ergon grips, beautiful grips. This is 2017 XTR, single party, doesn't need big heavy brakes. XT, 11-speed rear shifter. On the dropper post, we've got the Coriac made by Shimano. That's a 120mm. Great, fantastic, reliable post. Brand new saddle up there. That's another Ergon. This is one of the new SM Men Only series. So you've got this groove and the bit for your bum hole and your Biffa's Ridge. Fork, Cane Creek. These are the Air, the Helms, 160mm travel. And we've got, of course, the RRP. This is the standard, my God. Down to the wheels, the beautiful Envy. He's got the M6s, Todd has. These are the lighter ones than I use. These don't have the sort of bash strip inside him. He doesn't need that. Brand new set of V factory ride. These are the V tyres, flow snaps. I think these are some protos that they had that sent us. 2.4s with the TY tyre yogurt inside. And we've got Fibrax lightweight rotors. We're trying to keep the weight down on this. Obviously, you know, Todd's only like 7 stone. Over to here, Cane Creek again. This is the DB Air climb switch. Got to get this set up by our friends at JTech. Just done rough sag setting for now. 76 projects. That's all these little tools and bits and pieces in there. This is actually the piggyback, which is the long one, being cut down. I need to get the little pig, which is actually meant to be this long. And here, XT cranks. These are 170s with the Crank Brothers Enduro clip pedals on the ends. Running Unite components, 32 chainring, and oh, that's not tight. Have to miss something, didn't it? And also we've got the Unite components chainring. These things are fantastic, super reliable, last forever, and your chain stays on. Okay, that's good. What else we got? We've got this here. This is the chain tamer from South Africa. Stanton at the moment, they are waiting to get some more of these guards for here made up, but this settles that problem with the chains, you know, rubbing on here, and a little bit of loop tape on there to stop it rubbing at the end. Same tyre on the rear. Here's your here's your XT rear shifter, and the cassette is an 1146 11 speed. Valves also by TY products. This is the tyre yogurt, that's their own valves, and they've got this valve key built in to the valve cap. So let's talk Chris King as well. The Chris King has us covered when it comes to hubs, headset and bottom bracket. And listen to this. I've got to just show you this quickly. That slowed down a bit quick. Got to adjust the brake. It's rubbing a bit. Forgot to do that. So let's talk about the frame itself. This is the beautiful Stanton Switchback FS small, which is a 15-inch. Now this is something about Stanton and a lot of people might not realise. You can have them whatever colour you want. The back end is aluminium, the front end is steel. We've gone for this, the first raw finished full suspension they've done, which has been lacquered, and I've Invisi-framed it. I've Invisi-framed the whole thing. Some stats about this frame: 63.7, that's on the head angle, 69-degree seat angle, so a nice steep seat angle for great climbing, 445, that's the length of the back end. With it being a 15 inches, a nice low standover for Todd. The reach on this small is 420 millimeters. So what more can I say? It's beautiful, it's amazing, we're so stoked. I took the water bottle off, didn't like the look of it, and you could only fit a small water bottle in it, so it's kind of pointless, and I think it ruined the look. This is staying on. Some people may not like the look of this, but it's useful. It means you don't have to carry all your crap on you. We are buzzing. We're going to say a massive thank you to all the folks involved. It's just incredible, really. Incredible to think that we managed to get this built up for Todd. Todd, unfortunately, for this second day, he's in bed. He's had a bug. He's been throwing up, the poor bugger. So I think he's just about over his sickness. I'm going to go and wake him up now. I've taken the bike into the house, and let's see his reaction and what he thinks of this beautiful build. Todd?
Yeah?
Come down, I've got something to show you. How you feeling, dude?
Bit better now.
Oh yeah?
Just really tired.
Look what I've got here for you.
Oh my god.
Let me look at your face. Does that make you feel a bit better?
Yeah.
What do you reckon?
Looks so nice.
Bit special, isn't it?
Yeah, I just want to ride it.
Have a sit on it, dude, see what you think. Shut up! Oh, yeah, the bounce is here.
Hello.
Does it get your sign of approval?
Nah, I don't like it.
What have you got to say to all the people at Stanton?
Thank you.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How soon till you're on it?
Don't know. Might try to go on it today.
Ooh. So, I want to know what you think about all these parts, all these products. Let me know. Do you like this bike? I can't wait to now shoot some more vlogs with Todd out on it, getting racing and having fun. Thanks for watching. Check out our description for links for all the products, and also links to our new products, and especially our new race tops that are coming out. Keep it pinned.